Hey everybody, Flathead Terry here. What we have here is a taillight assembly from my 1930 Ford Model A, but the issue with it actually is that it's actually a 1932 version. Um, Somehow during the life of the vehicle that this was replaced for some reason, exchanged from the original 1930 version. So what we're going to do though, the bulbs are burned out. Um, I've already taken the liberty to solder on some new wires, but now the gaskets need to be replaced. So let's crack this thing open and get it rebuilt, put the new bulbs in it, and get it restored so it can function again. Okay, there we have the original lens inside, but there's no gasket in here. There should be a gasket. That's missing. Then also I can see inside there's gasket material inside, way inside here. I can see that that's an issue. And then all the clips that hold this glass in are all rusted away. And I've already tested these bulbs. I know they don't work, so they'll be replaced as well. So let's remove these and reassemble with the proper gaskets. Okay, I've removed the lens, which is in great original condition. Here are the remaining remnants of the cork gasket that was in there. That will have to be replaced. But also inside now are all the rusty screws, the two screws that hold that lens in, and the clips have all deteriorated away. So I'm going to have to grind those out. I do have some authentic Ford licensed retainer clips and screws to replace those rusty ones that I can't even get loose, so I'm going to have to grind them out. So I will take care of that. All right, got it out, clean and clean and ready to go. So let me clean up and I'll reassemble. Okay, I've cleaned up some of the debris, and now here's the new gasket that will be placed inside. All right, and also here's the clips and some new screws to put in there to hold the glass license plate lens back in. So let's reassemble here by inserting this back in. There we are. Next will be the lens itself. Make sure it's located in the correct location. Get the screw holes to align properly, which they do here and over there. So what we need to do then, make sure we have it correctly mounted. So I'm going to assume that it goes like that as it holds the glass in. So let me try to put that in. Get a screwdriver on here. All right, there we have it. Okay, now we're ready to insert the taillight bulbs appropriately. So first is the big brake light here. That goes in here. Pretty snug. And then here's the other one for the license plate itself. There we are, nice and snug. Seems to be good. Could be a little bit better contact, but we'll see. Then we have the gasket and the lens itself. So line those up. Get the screws in place. Now that I've reassembled the light, let's see if it works. So I have a 6-volt battery here. Let's check this out. There we go. There's the license plate lamp. Seems to be working properly. Let's go to the brake light. There we go. That seems to be nice and bright as well. Very good. So, mission accomplished.